University Tech Channel.
This video is sponsored by Loom Solar.
Friends, now we are seeing this Tech Channel. So this is a special video, friends, because we got a sponsor from Loom Solar company, a review product. You can see this is India's #1 mono panel manufacturer company, Loom Solar. This is India's company, friends, and we got in this package 12 volts 10 watt is their panel. You can see this is the package that we got, and thanks for Loom Solar company, friends, because in our channel only less subscribers, so they give me this review product for free. They sent me this, and they said you have to review in our channel. So I contacted them, and then they said you can review our product in our channel. And I am doing the video in this tent, friends. You can see we made tent now, friends. In that I am doing the video. If you don't see the tent video, I will give the link in description. And Loom Solar website is there, friends. So you can buy their many solar panels. I will give the link in description. You can check it out. You can see, friends, I am cutting this package. See. Let's see all the package. Okay. This was the package, friends. Neatly packed, friends, because you can see this was the main solar panel. This, and now we are going to unbox this main thing. See, I got it, and this you can see, friends, solar panel. You can see solar panel. I got a warranty card. You can see, friends, solar panel. Loom Solar. You can see Loom Solar. This was 12 volts 10 watt sheet. You can see this is polycrystalline, friends. You can see blue color. And this is the warranty card, like that, and Loom Solar, and this is the card. And you can see here, you can see the rating 10 watts. All the rating is given in this here sticker, and Loom Solar branding. You can see Loom Solar. And this was the box, friends. In this plus and minus terminals are there, we have to check it. See, friends, this is the open, like that it is there in this grill, like that and like that. You can see here plus and minus, these are, you can see we have to connect here wires. You can see like that. So, friends, first of all you have to connect 2 wires for the solar panel. You can see I connected 2 wires first of all, and you have to check, friends, plus and minus. You can see with the multimeter at the solar sheet you have to check. You can see minus. You can see this is 12 volts, friends. The voltage will be high because it is a solar panel. When we charge with this controller, solar charge controller, the solar sheet will be 12 volts. You can see this is solar charge controller, friends. And you can see plus and minus you have to check, friends. If you give reversely minus to plus, plus to minus, the solar panel will damage. You can see. And this was the charge controller, friends. You can see this is the solar charge controller. You can see. And this is solar plus, solar minus, battery plus, battery minus, like that there. And this is load minus, load plus, means you have to load, add. It gives load 12 volts output. Here we have to connect the solar wires to this, and you can see I have adding a battery, 12 volts battery, friends. This is 12 volts 12Ah lithium battery and board BMS with BMS. You can see. Let's add. You can see here S minus is there. And plus, you can see solar plus and minus I gave it. And let's give the battery connection, plus and minus. You can see you can see, friends, here SPV charging means solar is working to charge this battery. The solar panel is charging the battery, friends. You can see that solar panel, Loom solar panel, charging this battery. You can see lithium battery 12Ah. And see, friends, this was the full setup. You can see this was the converter board. You can see DC to AC converter. This is, I connected a flex box. You can see this converter only for bulbs and mobile charging. You can charge, and DC fans it will work, friends. DC fans it will work, and no AC fans don't work, friends, on this controller. This is, and this was the solar charge controller. You can see. And now we have to test this, friends. You can see I will on the switch. You can see here red light is glowing. Now this is, friends, the battery is charging and the solar is giving means input, and the battery was charging, and the battery gives to load. We can add any load. You can see I kept a charger. You can see this is our 2-in-1 Bluetooth upgraded speaker. I am going to charge this. You can see I am keeping the pin. You can see, friends, the points are glowing light. You can see I will charge my mobile phone also, friends. You can see now I will charge my mobile phone also. Let's see. This was the cable, and I kept in this my mobile phone. You can see. You can see, friends, I will increase the brightness. You can see here charging symbol. You can see like that. This solar panel and charge controller are also working, friends. All are working. You can see that was the solar panel. And you can see I will glow a AC bulb also. You can see I will keep this. You can see, friends. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You can see the bulb is going. Bulb. We can keep up to 5 bulbs, friends, on this. You can see, friends, here Loom Solar is there. Loom Solar website. This is, I will give the link in description. You can check it out. And here you can see lithium batteries are there. Why not lithium battery for home inverter? You can see like that. And you can set here your solar panel. What are you looking for? Search bar. And here you can see Loom Solar, India's #1 mono panel manufacturer. You can see Bino is there, you can see, and lithium battery for home, electric vehicle and street lights. You can see like that. And here you can see friends, Loom Solar panel 50 watt 12 volts mono perk. You can see 2400 rupees 50 watt sheet, friends, 12 volts. You can see all are there. You can see grid connected system like that. You can see, friends. You can visit their website. I will give the link in description. So this was the website, friends. So friends, this is the video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please share this video, friends. And once again, thanks to the Loom Solar Company for giving this solar panel as a review product. But please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment. Bye, friends.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.